Welcome to State Industrial Products. 100 years of experience has established State Industrial Products as a world-class leading manufacturer of institutional and industrial chemical products, and it all begins with the Research and Development Team. The Research and Development Team spends hours developing and testing products for each division of State Industrial Products. Once the product has been perfected, it is sent to our manufacturing plants for production.
We manufacture in 2 production plants, here in Hebron, Ohio, just east of Columbus, and 1 in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Every year we manufacture 18 million pounds of chemicals for State Industrial Products.
At our 200,000 square foot Hebron facility, we produce chemicals of all types, liquids, solids, and powders. Our automated liquid blending ensures the efficacy of each product that is produced to the exact specifications at which they were developed. We hold ISO 9001 and 14001 certifications for quality assurance and environmental responsibility, ensuring that our products meet and exceed customer expectations.
State's flagship manufacturing facility in Hebron, Ohio is home to the majority of the blending and packaging of our products. We offer a wide range of packaging options, everything from quart bottles to 5-gallon pails, all the way up to 260-gallon totes. Once products are mixed and packaged, they are then placed into inventory at one of State's distribution centers.
We ship over 150,000 orders from our distribution centers to more than 50,000 customers each year. Our team works hard to make sure we are always prepared to fill a customer's order, and our distribution network is able to deliver products within 1 to 2 days to over 93% of our customers.
State's products are shipped to customers from a number of strategically located distribution centers throughout North America. In fact, our Hebron manufacturing facility also serves as the distribution center for the Midwest.
As a manufacturer and distributor, it's our responsibility to make sure that we have all of our products available to ship as soon as an order is placed. Our customers depend on us, so we take every step we can to earn their trust in their business.
From research and development to quality manufacturing, State Industrial Products continues to bring innovative, high-performing chemical solutions to market. Our robust production facilities, coupled with a vast distribution network and exceptional customer service, allows us to help improve our customers' workplaces every day. State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.